In this how-to tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the calendar function in your GoHighLevel account. First, go to the calendars tab, and here you're able to see your calendar, and it should be synced with your either your Gmail or your Outlook account. Or you can sync it with your Gmail or your Outlook account. If you don't want to, you can also just use it on its own. But how I like to use it is I like to sync it with my personal Gmail account in case I go on holiday, or if I'm busy, I put something in my calendar, it will sync with the calendars here, and it will not let people book on my calendar for that specific time. So when we go up here, we can choose the different months. We can go by date, day, week, and month. And down here, we are able to select the different people. If you have a lot of people in your company or working in your organization, you can select them all to see, you can select one or more to see their different schedules in here. The next thing we want to do is this new button. We are able to press this button and create an appointment manually for a specific person. So let's try doing that. Just press new. The calendar type, you can choose what calendar you want. And then here you can select who the contact is that you're going to have the appointment with. So let me click this. Let me scroll down, and okay, here we have Denzel Wack. Just press that. So if I bought appointment with Denzel Wack, appointment with Denzel. Okay, all you need to do is just press like that. You can put in a description if you want. If not, that is fine. You can tag whoever is going to go on the meeting with Denzel with. So here I only have one, so it's me. Okay, and then you can choose the specific time and specific date. So let's say June 10th, 1 p.m. Okay, by default, it's always been confirmed. I like to use high level where when I create an appointment that it is automatically confirmed. So imagine you get on a call with someone, then say, hey, can I book a time with you for 1 p.m.? Okay. So I'll just I'll open this thing, I'll create this appointment, and then it is already confirmed. And when I press book appointment, it will automatically send a appointment confirmation and will put them in a reminder sequence until the day of this time and day of this appointment. Okay, let me just put book appointment, and you see appointment is booked. All right. Okay, the other thing you can do here is you can block off time. So say you're off for half a day or you go on vacation, you can block off certain time here. So the first thing you can do is select the user, holiday in Europe. Okay, you can put the start date and end date. And when you do this, it will automatically block the time on your calendar so that nobody can make appointments with you. Okay, they can still make appointments with other people for the specific time. Okay, the other thing that we want to talk about here is this appointments tab. Okay, let's click on appointments. And when we come inside here, you will see a list of all your appointments for this specific person. You can select by person here, by calendar, and also by all appointments. Okay, so if we see here, let's go to date edit. Okay, so we already add Denzel earlier, so the status is confirmed, title is appointment with Denzel. And what we can do here is say this time hits, right? And you go on a Google Meet or on Zoom and have a meeting with Denzel at 1 p.m. June 10th. If the if Denzel didn't show up, you can just press this and then put no show. And what will happen is the system will automatically put Denzel into a no show nurture where they will say, hey, sorry you missed your appointment, and please do click here to reschedule. You know, we're all busy, and let's try reschedule for a different time. And they will, they wait 24 hours and send a message and again for a couple of days just to try and save the sale, because maybe Denzel is busy, right? Maybe he didn't show up because he was busy or he had an emergency, whatever it is. Okay, we can also put it short. Okay, so how do we use appointment show? A different scenario is when we have an appointment with Denzel, and Denzel showed up, and then we had a good meeting, right? So what you can do is you just press that the status is showed. We can build automations that when someone shows up for an appointment, that we can put into a different nurture system. Say I like to do two types of calendars. One is the intro calendar, and the other one is what we call the strategy call calendar, where you get on a call with them, and after that we will say, hey, we'll send you a proposal. If you like what it is, we'll send you. If you like what I do, I'm going to send you a proposal, and then you can go have a look at it, and then sign, and we can move forward there with payments, something like that. So we are able to do automatic automations for that. If he canceled the appointment, we can put cancel, and then he'll go on to another nurture sequence where he'll be asked if you like to reschedule, and hopefully he does, so that we can try and save a sale from there again. If we click invalid, then we will not be sending any nurture sequence. We will just mark Denzel as an invalid contact. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know.